what goes 000 yogurt. Greek yogurt. Very fucking good. About like 15 grams of protein for like 90 calories, I believe. Let's search it up really quick. Hola, my friends. My name is Megan. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't like, subscribe, follow, comment, doesn't really appreciate it. What goes 000 calories? Per serving. Yeah, just 90 calories for 150, or not 150, 15 grams of protein, so it's very good. Hold on, bro. Okay, that's my dear. But yeah, basically, I was trying to think of a streaming idea. I'll fucking check out the Twitch, YouTube, links and bios and shit. Me and Martini, Twitch right here. MG_MARTINI for the Twitch, no capitals. Second channel right here, posts like streaming clips from the streams. Migi 2, capital MIGI with the number 20. Migi second, capital MIGI, capital THE, capital SECOND. For the second channel, and then switch over to the main channel right here, Migi, capital MIGI. Capital MIGI, Migi Martini, capital MIGI, capital MARTINI. And yeah, we post YouTube videos every Saturday and Sunday. Check it out. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, just really appreciate it. Boop, boop. Boop, full tunes. But yeah, I was trying to think of an idea to stream, and I was like, my hair's wet right now, so like, I really wouldn't want to play like a video game because I don't like wearing it in my headset when my hair's wet. My homies call it bouncy hair, and I have bouncy hair right now, so I don't really want to play a game. I could play a game without a headset, like Minecraft or something, but nah. Or Fall Guys. But yeah. Just want to talk, eat my fucking yogurt. I was like, the idea was like, what can I do? And I had this yogurt, I'm like, I can just eat the yogurt. But I didn't want to just eat the yogurt, I wanted to do more. So I was like, what else can I do? I can eat the yogurt and talk about something. And I was like, what can I talk about? What do you want to talk about? And I'm like, about life. So we got fucking yogurt, talking about life. And I don't really know what to talk about. Actually, now I think about it, I just said life. But let's see what in life. Is anybody in the chat right now? I don't think there is. To give like a prompt. I mean, I guess life, there's something so vast about life. You know, we can talk about that. What is the meaning of life? I've seen a lot of videos on this, and I've seen a lot of good ones, and honestly, the ones that usually stand out to me is that the meaning of life is whatever you put it. Like, to give just one thing, like, oh, this is the meaning of life, you know, fucking whatever the fuck. Okay, I can make this a video. Hold on, I'm gonna do this on the stream, but I might make this a YouTube video too. Video meaning of life, because I'd rather like also right now I'm kind of just like, I'm not like BSing my way through it, but like, you know, just trying to think of something rather like make it a video really like lock in. But yeah, basically, damn, my bad, guys. I just saw a girl with a fucking nice waist to ass ratio. Let's talk about waist to ass ratio. I don't like when a girl says that she got a big butt, but she's just big. Now, I got nothing against bigger fucking people. You know, I understand sometimes people gotta fucking like, certain diseases, or like it's just hard for them to lose weight. I completely understand that. But there are some people that, you know, they have the chance to exercise, they have the opportunity to eat better foods for their body, and no. And I don't like when a fucking, you know, bigger girl tells me, yeah, I got a big butt, and like, yeah, but no. You know, I like a good ass to waist ratio personally. But, you know, no disrespect. I don't mind like a pan dulce type of girl, but like a torta, not for me. I'm not a torta pounder, you know. Maybe I am, and I just don't know it. But no, not for me. I got completely sidetracked. What was the meaning of life? We went from the meaning of life to fucking talking about torta pounder. Pan dulce is like my limit person, but like, bang, 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 bang. Scar. There's a meme. Meaning of life is whatever the fuck you want it to be. It's true. Like, if somebody were to ask you, oh, what's the meaning of life? Cheesecake. I forgot, fuck. My parents had gotten some fucking cheesecake for Thanksgiving. I never ate any at Thanksgiving. And then I was like, oh, I'm gonna eat some of the leftovers. And then I never ate any of the fucking leftovers. Fuck. And I'm pretty sure there was still a piece like a little like while ago, and I was like, oh, let me eat that. And then I kind of just forgot about it. Dude, cheesecake is so good. Cheesecake cold cheesecake. When a cheesecake is just fucking cold, bro. That's just fucking good. But yeah. Meaning of life, cheesecake. Dude, cheesecake? No. Life? Cheesecake is dang. But life is like whatever the fuck, or whatever meaning, you know? Sometimes it can be like a goal, and then sometimes maybe you get to that goal and it's like, well, I fulfilled my meaning. What is there left? And there's tons of shit left. There's so much shit to do in this fucking world, and it's awesome. Excuse me. Maybe you get to your meaning of life, maybe you feel fine, you feel great, and it's like you get another meaning. You get meaning of life is whatever the fuck you think it is. Meaning of life could be, you know, be kind, being honest, you know, it's whatever the fuck. The world is not mean. And the world isn't necessarily kind either. I do like to believe the world is kind, but it's just the world, you know? Live whatever the fuck there is in life. Whatever the fuck challenges make you better, they improve you. Also, cherish the good things. Sometimes I feel like also, well, the bad things can get in the way. Remember, bad things, they only improve you, make you better. Good things, cherish them. Sometimes I find myself too, if something good happens to me, it's like, oh, it's awesome, then I just move past it, not cherish that. Cherish that, motherfucker. I don't know why I said that, but it felt appropriate. You know? Life is whatever the fuck you want it to be. I haven't finished the yogurt because I've been focused on fucking talking, but just live. It sounds really simple, and it technically is, but it isn't. And it's just living. Be kind. I think that's the concept I think everyone should have, but I think a lot of people genuinely are kind. Everyone has a bad day, and sometimes when you have a bad day, you can be a dickhead. Maybe without even knowing. Doesn't mean you can't improve. Will everybody like you? No. Will everybody forgive you? No. But the people that do, for just being you. For you being yourself, and the people that like you, cherish those motherfuckers. That accept you, give you unconditional love. Cherish that. Dude, that's fucking awesome. I'm gonna try some real quick. Copa del Rey. I don't know if... Yeah, there was a match. Barca win. Christensen and Marcus Rashford scored. Oye, mujer. I'll show you right here. Lo que es conquistado de mí. Guadalajara, Guadalajara. I fear I might break. I fear I can't take it. Sometimes I lie awake, feeling empty. Yeah, I know it was like domestic cups. I remember seeing something. It's like the Caribou Cup right now. Had to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today. There was a night. Who that tight? Talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart, and I sound like a loon. Because the beat Liverpool. Don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start? I feel like there's always upsets, especially in like domestic cups. City and Brentford face Newcastle, Fulham, Arsenal, Crystal Palace. Now, if I were to just say, I would think Arsenal beats Crystal Palace, Newcastle wins, and City wins, but I have no idea because I think Crystal Palace and Fulham are actually doing kind of alright in the Prem. Yeah, Crystal Palace is 5th right now, so that should be a pretty good game, and then Fulham's 14th. But it's not too bad. Like Fulham, if they were to win 2 games and then these teams weren't able to really win anything, they would technically be in 5th. Like it's 2 games behind. Like it's actually not that bad.
Manchester City, Arsenal fighting for the top spot with Aston Villa trailing right behind them. Chelsea a little bit more further back, but right there in number 4, easily can get to the number 1 spot. So maybe some magic happens. Crystal Palace a surprise. Manchester United, Liverpool, Sunderland, all in the same points. 16 matches played in the Premier League. Who will be the Premier League champion? Only from 8 to 1. There's 10 points, and while 10 points may sound like a lot, anybody can get them. Anybody can happen.
Anybody can have. Be
Poco.
Followed by Leipzig, Leverkusen, Pauli, Kiel, Stuart, Hertha, Freiburg. Her from the Bundesliga? The second, but I'm like, fuck, I feel like I remember seeing this team. That Shakhtar got fucking relegated? That's a team I feel like I haven't heard in a minute. This team too, I remember always seeing them in FIFA. I was like, I like their fucking logo. Like, it always just stood out to me.
Close to my birthday.
Dynamo. Fuck. I thought it was like, I thought it just said, I thought it spelled fuck. But okay. Well, look, I finished my yogurt. As always, have a good day, hope you have a good week, and have a good life. Check out all those fucking socials. Twitch right here. Twitch right here, Miguel underscore Martini, M-I-G-A underscore M-A-R-T-I-N-I. And Twitch, YouTube right here. Me, capital M-I-G-I, M-I-G-A Martini, capital M-I-G-I, capital M-A-R-T-I-N-I. That's interesting. Leave a like. Okay, capital M-I-G-I. Number 2, capital M-I-G-I. With the number 2 in it. Only capital M. Everything is lowercase, and capital M-I-G-I, capital T-H-E, capital S-E-C-O-N-D. Only capital M and T-S for the second channel. And yeah. So if you're having a good day, if you're doing have a good day, if you're not having a good day, just remember it's a bad day, not a bad life, good day, my bad things happening, and improve, make it better. If you don't know you're feeling, just remember you matter. And as always, hope you have a good day, hope you have a good week, and hope you have a good life. But later, bye bye.